Did you know these egg mistakes could be making you sick? Eggs are often called a superfood, packed with high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and nutrients. But what if I told you that simple mistakes in how you handle, cook, or store your eggs could actually turn them into a hidden danger? In this video, we're revealing the top 5 egg mistakes that could be harmful to your health. Some of these might shock you, especially if you've been eating eggs the same way for years. But once you know what to avoid, you can keep enjoying eggs as the nutritional powerhouse they were meant to be. Stay tuned until the end, because mistake number 5 is one almost everyone makes. Let's get started. 1. Overcooking eggs. The hidden health risk. One of the biggest mistakes people make is overcooking their eggs. Eggs are loaded with protein, healthy fats, and vitamins, but cooking them at high temperatures can damage their nutrients and create harmful compounds. When you fry eggs until they're crispy, boil them too long, or scramble them over high heat, they undergo oxidation, leading to the formation of oxidized cholesterol. Studies link this to increased inflammation and a higher risk of heart disease. Have you ever smelled that strong sulfuric odor after boiling eggs for too long? That's a sign they've been overcooked. It happens when sulfur in the whites reacts with iron in the yolk, forming iron sulfide. While not toxic, it means your eggs aren't as nutritious as they should be. Take Robert, for example. At 76, he fried his eggs until they were crispy every morning, but over time, he noticed digestive issues and heartburn. Once he switched to soft scrambling at lower heat, he felt better, with more energy and less bloating. The fix? Cook eggs at lower temperatures. Lightly boil, poach, or soft scramble them to preserve their nutrients and avoid oxidation. If you love frying eggs, keep the heat gentle and avoid over-browning. Small changes can protect your health while keeping eggs a true superfood. 2. Eating raw or undercooked eggs. Is it really safe? Some people believe eating raw eggs is the ultimate way to get nutrition, but this common mistake can put you at risk for serious food poisoning. Raw eggs may contain Salmonella, a dangerous bacteria that can cause severe stomach pain, fever, diarrhea, and dehydration. Especially for seniors, a Salmonella infection can be much more severe due to a weaker immune system. What might be mild for a young person can be life-threatening for an older adult. Think you're safe? If you've ever eaten raw cookie dough, homemade mayonnaise, or runny eggs, you may have already put yourself at risk. Even the cleanest-looking eggs can carry harmful bacteria if not handled properly. Margaret, a 68-year-old egg lover, drank a raw egg smoothie every morning, thinking it was the best way to absorb nutrients. One day, she had severe stomach pain and nausea that lasted for days. After a trip to the doctor, she was diagnosed with Salmonella poisoning. Once she switched to fully cooked eggs, she never had another issue. Another hidden risk? Raw eggs contain avidin, a compound that blocks your body from absorbing biotin, an essential vitamin for metabolism, nerve health, and glowing skin. Cooking deactivates avidin, ensuring you get all the nutrients eggs have to offer. The fix? Stick to fully cooked eggs like scrambled, boiled, or poached until yolks and whites are firm. If you love runny yolks, use pasteurized eggs to reduce risk. Comment number 2 below if you're still watching. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a life-changing health tip. Now, let's move forward. Number 3. Eating cracked or expired eggs. Would you eat spoiled food? Most people would not, but many unknowingly eat expired or cracked eggs without realizing the danger. How to check for freshness. If an egg sinks and lays flat in a bowl of cold water, it is fresh. If it stands upright, it should be eaten soon. If it floats, it is no longer safe to eat and should be thrown away. Cracked eggs are a breeding ground for bacteria. Even a small crack can allow harmful bacteria to grow, increasing the risk of food poisoning. If you ever see a cracked egg, do not take the risk. For example, Evelyn, a 74-year-old woman, ignored a strange-smelling egg and cooked it anyway. She ended up with food poisoning and felt sick for days. Since then, she always checks her eggs using the water test and has never had another issue. Have you ever eaten an egg that you were unsure about? Comment number 3 below. Number 4. Cooking eggs with the wrong oils. Many people fry eggs in vegetable oil, margarine, or seed oils. But these oils can produce toxic compounds that increase inflammation, heart disease, and cognitive decline. Oils to avoid. Vegetable oil, including soybean, corn, and canola oil. Margarine, which is loaded with trans fats. Healthier options. Butter, extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil. Frank, a 78-year-old man, switched from using vegetable oil to olive oil, and within weeks, he felt less sluggish and had better digestion. Which oil do you cook your eggs in? Comment number 4 below. Number 5. Reheating eggs the wrong way. Have you ever microwaved eggs and ended up with a rubbery, unappetizing mess? That happens because eggs do not reheat well, especially in the microwave. Mistakes to avoid. Microwaving eggs on high heat destroys nutrients. Overcooking eggs while reheating makes them dry and chewy. The best way to reheat eggs. Reheat them gently on the stove with a splash of water or broth to keep them soft and fresh tasting. Do you reheat your eggs in the microwave? Comment number 5 below. Final thoughts. Are you making these mistakes? Here is a quick recap of what we covered. Store cooked eggs properly. Always check for cracks and freshness. Use healthy oils for cooking. Reheat eggs correctly. Avoid raw or undercooked eggs. Your health depends on the small choices you make every day. Making these simple changes will help you feel better, avoid food poisoning, and get the most nutritional benefits from eggs. Now I want to hear from you. What is one mistake you have made with eggs? Drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on important health tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.